So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 31st of March till the 6th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You will find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below, and self-love course is soon going to be launched. Very excited about it. Let's start. Libra, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Seven of Swords, the Three of Cups, and the Chariot. Okay. This is someone who is feeling that you have somebody else in your life and you are moving on and you're kind of lying to them, you are cheating on them, you are doing something really bad behind their back, and they have no choice left apart from moving on from the situation and never looking back. Okay. And or this is someone who feels like they should go ahead with somebody else without even telling you, and they should move on in their life with that somebody else. There is a mixture of third party equation in the situation, either from your side or their side. Whatever the case may be, this person is feeling like moving on towards the moving on from the situation because of this third party dynamic. And whosoever it is, either they're feeling like you're hiding from them but they know it, and or they're trying to hide it from you, but they feel like you already know it. Whatever the case may be, this person is feeling like they should keep moving ahead in their life because of this third party equation. Now the third party equation can be romantic third party, it can be family, it can be work, it can be job, career, it can be anything. Third parties are not always romantic third parties. Sometimes they can be family as well, or other issues as well, right? And this person is definitely feeling moving on towards something better or someone better, having a brand new beginning in their love and relationship area. Wow. Let's see what this person wants from you or from the situation, Libra. I've seen people commenting like, oh my god, I don't even need them, I was just curious to know. Nobody like watch the reading just for curiosity. They just want to know what's going on, and they always have a hope of something coming up. Wow. So Libra, this person wants a crystal clear clarity about this third party dynamics, whether it's from your side, whether it's from their side, and then they want to like ask for forgiveness, or they want to forgive you for whatever happened. This person definitely wants this situation, this third party situation, to come to light so that you guys can be at peace with each other, so that this whole dynamics can be resolved, and maybe both of you will be able to forgive each other and move ahead in your individual lives, but still stay connected somehow. So they want crystal clear clarity about this third party kind of dynamics. See, we have the Three of Cups above and the Lovers below. There's definitely a choice between you and somebody else. There's definitely this energy of other people, other energies involved in the situation. So this person, Libra, wants to have a crystal clear clarity about this third party or third parties, and forgiving each other, and then moving ahead in your different in your individual lives, but still staying connected somehow. This is what they want, right? They want peace in the situation, like adults, like mature and grounded people. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have, 6th of April. We have the King of Cups, the Seven of Cups, the Four of Swords. Wow. They are going to be continuously in this war of what should I do, what should I do, what should I do, should I do this, should I do that, should I do this, should I do that, individually not eventually not doing anything about it, but detaching more and more from the situation to understand what they should actually do, because right now they're emotionally very overwhelmed, emotionally very confused, and they don't want to take any kind of decision or make any kind of choice in this direction until unless they are going to be completely emotionally stable enough to make the right choice, make the wise choice, and make the right decision. So I don't see them doing anything about the situation until unless they are going to be 1000% sure that this is what I should do in this direction. Okay, actually a very mature thing to do. So I don't see any action from this person's side whatsoever as of now. For you, the guidance here is the Ten of Cups. Spend your time and energy with people who loves you and whom you love, family kind of dynamics. The more you are going to spend your time with people who loves you, okay, the more you are going to feel at ease and at peace. The more you are going to feel the power of universal love. apart from this romantic love and getting stuck on the romantic relationships only. Spread your wings and connect with family, connect with friends, connect with people who loves you. And if by any chance you don't have anybody to deal with, anybody to connect with, start a community, start a chapter from your side, start connecting with people with whom you feel like you can give love to them, you can share your experiences with them. I have seen people sulking and crying, I don't have anybody to talk to, I don't have any friends, I don't have any family. It's yourself, like it's your victimization energy that's talking to you, it's your mind telling you all this. Okay, connect with the community, connect with, start volunteering or start going to places where you know people are going to be your soul tribe people or something. You have to find them, they're not going to come to you, you have to find them, right? So that's the deal here, Libra. Soul searching, soul tribe. Hmm. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.